Hey, everybody. Rorree here. I was just listening to some go-go music. I have not listened to go-go music in a minute, so I was just enjoying myself right before we get started. So, everybody, let me turn this down. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a wonderful week thus far. I have had fun recording for you guys. So, welcome to my channel, Totally Rorree. I am Rorree. Um, Please like and subscribe. You know, the algorithms here like it when you like, and I like it when you subscribe. And then you can hit the little bell, and the bell will let you know when we are posting new videos. So it helps you keep in touch. Don't forget to look in the description box. Sometimes it's something different in there for you. You could, there's definitely information about our upcoming inner circle that we have. So definitely be paying attention for the inner circle. We are changing the platform for the inner circle. So, you know, we're not ready for you yet, but it is coming because we're not going to do the platform where we had it the last time. We're also all using this book, this journal book here, which is beautiful. Look how it is. Look, it's like, oh my gosh, like the edges are in rose gold. I thought this was so pretty. And they have all different colors. Last year I got like a mint green. This year I got this with the rose gold. They have all these different colors. And I provided the link in the description box for that if you want to order yours. We're using these in our I Choose Me program. We're working together this year. So we're all lifting each other up and we are vibrating. We're like-minded women coming together to lift each other up, to raise our vibrations so that we are having what it is that we desire in life, so that we're choosing us, so that we are right for whoever else want to choose us. If you already have a mate in your life, if you already have a business in your life, if you already have a career, a family, whatever it is that you're desiring, a spiritual practice, whatever, we want to be right. We want to show up right for what it is that we are walking through on our journey. So we have to choose us first. We have to love ourselves the most so that we can give to somebody else. All right, or something else, if it's a business or career or something like that. So all that said, let's get into it. We got a couple components for today. So I did a little reading. We got a base card, and then we have a message from Spirit, a little postcard from Spirit. I thought that was so cool. So we're going to end with a little message from your spirit community, your ancestors, guides, or your angels. All these cards came for the collective. They were cards that popped out. So that I could share them with the collective. So the first card that came out was career. And I was like, okay, what's this talking about? So what I see when I look at the card is I see a tree, and it's not the tree of life, but it reminds me of the tree of life. And then it has like this golden sun around the tree, and then there are birds flying, and the sky looks beautiful, and the ground, the grass looks beautiful, and I see a rainbow, and it just feels like, although this card says career, it feels like you can have what you desire. You just have to move forward and move towards it. And what this card is talking about is about doing what you need to do to change up. This card came out because some of you are ready to switch up in your lives. It's time to change up a little bit and move towards a new. If it's a job that you're at, you're tired of doing the same thing different day at your job. So you're going to create an aspect of your workplace that is more fulfilling. You're going to create something that you can do within your workplace that will fulfill your spirit more and bring more joy to you, so that you don't feel like things are so mundane. It's kind of like you're going to recreate yourself in the position that you have, or you're going to go for a different position, or you're going to release this job and move towards having your own business. I don't suggest just cutting off a job cold turkey unless you got a nice nest egg saved. And I would say have 2 years of a nest egg saved before you quit your job, because I have done these things a couple of times, twice, and it's really a good idea to have a solid foundation before you leave a steady flow of incomes. Make sure you have a solid foundation. Make sure you have money to market whatever it is you're doing and money to build whatever it is that you're building. Anyway, so let's see. The spread, I use one of the Lenormand spreads, the PS Lenormand spread, and it's I mean, the cards kind of correspond with this. It feels like some of you have some indecision. Some of you are a little confused about what it is that you want to do. Some of you, you're sick and tired of being sick and tired, but you don't quite have a plan of action yet. And earlier this week, we talked about reverse engineering a plan of action, reverse engineering one of your goals. So it's okay if you don't quite know yet what you're going to do or how you're going to do it. Just know that your spirit guides, your angels, your ancestors, you know that your whole spirit community is working with you on achieving what it is that you desire. And that's what this came up in your reading twice, that your spirit community is working with you. It came up twice in a row, that you have to have faith while you're walking on this journey. And as you have faith the size of a grain of a mustard seed, you can definitely conquer anything that it is for you to conquer. Just know that God is with you, that your higher beings that are working with you are working with you. Both of these cards talk about having faith and trust in any hard times. Ask for help. Get in touch with your higher self, your Rorree, your spiritual connection to God. Get in touch with your higher self. But both cards for spiritual cards came out back to back, okay? And then it talks about a positive change coming, a positive expectancy. So we're talking about career. So this is career or business or something that you are trying to create and manifest in that space of your life. So something positive, a positive change is coming in that area of your life. And this is for you guys watching this, okay? This reading is for you guys. There's also, and here it is again, it says something positive is coming, and then it also says something big is coming. So you got something positive coming, and it's a big something positive. And it says to embrace the change and take your power back. Embrace the change, take your power back. It's saying that you need to connect with your inner self, connect with your feminine energy, connect with your creativity, connect with what it is that you want to manifest, okay? Now, it's also saying that you could be manifesting a significant other, a mate, a soulmate. You could be manifesting a mate. This mate could be a female or a male, okay? And this, but you're manifesting this. So, but you also could be manifesting an agreement, a contract of some sort. Those of you who are manifesting a mate, you're also manifesting an engagement. So you may already have this mate, or the mate is coming, and this person is going to quickly know what it is that they want. The person that you're going to receive, if I go by the readings that we've had this week, the person that you're going to receive already knows what they want. They're not here to play any games. They are already done with all the foolish shenanigans, and you're manifesting that one that's going to be your foundation, that one that's going to be your best friend, that one that's going to have your back, that one that's going to be your support, your rock of Gibraltar, that one that's going to solidify your foundation. That's what's coming. So for some of you, you already know this person, and the ring is coming. For some of you, the ring is coming and you don't even know the person yet, but that person is coming, and they already got it together, and they are ready for you. So there are two things going on here. So you're manifesting in your career space, and some of you are manifesting a mate. Okay. All right. So now creativity and and keeping the next two cards and the last two cards here are talking about being creative, staying, keeping your creative light on, allowing yourself to hear from source. I feel like source is going to be talking to you, your spirit guides, your angels, they're going to be talking to you, your ancestors are going to be talking to you. So pay attention to how they talk to you. Earlier this week, we talked about, how do your ancestors talk to you? How do you know that you're hearing from them? So be practicing being still, being quiet and listening, turning off all the noise so you can listen, so that you can hear the thoughts, hear the ideas, hear what it is that they're trying to tell you. But there is something creative that you're working on, and it's like a spark of information. It's like you're in this thing, like you're in. Earlier this week we got a card, and it was like a merry-go-round horse, and then the horse decided, I want to get off this merry-go-round, busting out, and like you see the horse comes alive and busts out of the little globe that it was in. And I feel like this is you and your spark of inspiration that you have, and the message is to continue moving forward, to continue persevering. Don't worry about if it's a little rough, because not everything is guaranteed to be easy, but just know that your spiritual community is working with you. They're working with you and for you and through you, and they're helping you. So stay focused on where you're going. Don't focus on yesterday and the woes and all of that. Focus on where it is that you're going. Definitely do your goals and get your planning in order, so that you can move forward and manifest what it is you're desiring. Let me know how y'all are doing with the reverse engineering of your goal. I know when I did it a couple years ago, I spent a few hours doing it. It was so much fun, because and I have not manifested that goal yet. It's coming. I know it's coming. Shoot, maybe that's the big thing that's coming for me. I'm about to be able to manifest that goal. I did put the goal a couple years out, because I already knew that it was going to take a lot of building of a solid foundation to get there. But it was so much fun reverse engineering the goal. So let me know how y'all are doing with that. And don't forget to let me know which goal you are reverse engineering, but try to knock it out and have fun with it, and just see how exciting you're going to be when it is that time that you're manifesting it. And then you will see all the little things that you're going to do along the way. You're going to be so excited. So that goal could be something at your job. Recreate yourself. That is an important thing. Reinvent yourself at your job. Some of the stars, the artists and stuff, they reinvent themselves every time they come out with a new album. They might be a new person. You know what I mean? So anyway, so definitely know that your God, your ancestors, guides and angels are in this. They've been in your readings all week long, showing their faces either through the lilies or what have you, but your ancestors and everybody has been showing that they are there. So we're going to end with a message from them for you. So I have this I have some cards, and they are about messages from Spirit. So this is how I decided to use them, since Spirit has been all up in your readings, not just inspiring your readings and helping the cards to come out that are for you, but they have been showing up in your readings saying, yes, we are here, and this is divine. This is ordained. This is happening. I'm like, whoa, this group, y'all gonna be doing some good stuff, right? This group got some stuff going on. So I can't wait to meet you all, honestly. Like maybe when we're doing our Zooms and we do the inner circles or whatever, we really can connect, and I could see you and connect. That is going to be a lot of fun. So let me share this message from your ancestors, your guides, and your angels. So it says, dearest you, all of you out there, since you're on Earth, you understand how buildings are built. Yes? A good solid foundation, and yet flexibility too, in case of earthquakes. Truth be told, you can't offer something sustainable unless it is built from a solid base, whether it be an idea that takes form one step at a time, or an actual house that needs a sturdy foundation dug, poured, and built. We want to remind you of this because you might need a little encouragement to see this is true in your life at this time. Celebrate the fact that right now you can repair the cracks in the foundation of your life effortlessly, as well as do a general site check to ensure your hard work is being well supported. Do this and you, wait a minute, do this and know you are building your life on a perfect and sound foundation that will allow you to welcome the many miracles waiting to come to visit. Whoa. We're so happy for you and so intrigued by what you're building. Ashe, ashe, ashe. I'm loving that. All right, you guys, have a wonderful time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this with anybody that you think might be interested in hearing everything. And on top of that, look out for when we will be starting the inner circle because it is coming up soon. We don't have the exact date yet, but it is coming up soon. And I will definitely be keeping you posted. And until then, continue enjoying the sessions every day. Ashe, ashe, ashe.